Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. This is TAV here. Before you spend your hard-earned money on an external hard drive, I have a simple tip that could save you quite a bit of money. As you know, the prices of RAM and hard disk are soaring day by day. So many of us have old laptops lying maybe in a cupboard that we no longer use. Even if those laptops no longer turn on, there is a good chance the 2.5-inch hard drive inside is still perfectly functional. Instead of letting that storage go to waste, you can get that hard drive removed by yourself or by your nearest technician and then connect it. I have my Mac Mini. You could be having a new PC that you have bought in, and you can connect it to your computer using any good quality USB to SATA cable or 2.5-inch hard drive enclosures. So in just a few minutes you can turn it into a portable external drive for backups, folders of movies, photos, documents and other files. With the price of storage continuing to increase, reusing hardware you already own is one of the easiest way to save your money. So before we continue, I would like to make one thing very clear, that this is not a sponsored video. I purchased the adapter I'm using with my own money and no company has paid me to make this video. You don't have to buy the same adapter like what I am using. Simply choose any reliable USB to SATA cable or enclosure that fits your budget. Now I would like to show you. So this is the enclosure that I have bought from Amazon and it's available for rupees 379. It's hardly cost around $4 if you are buying from any other countries. Like, so currently in India we have Freedom Mega Sale going on. You can get extra discount when you do purchase with credit card as well. So it's a 3.1 type C hard disk SSD enclosure, and it can give up to 6 GB per second. So it's around if you calculate, it can transfer file at around more than 400 or 500 megabytes per second, which is sufficient. So I will be just demonstrating you like how this is going to work and help us out. So I have connected my external ink drive, SATA hard drive, taken out from my old laptop, and let me show you. So I'm using this app called Disk Speed Test. You can find this on App Store. It's available there. So before running the test, I am going to make sure that I have selected my correct enclosure drive, which is this one. So this is the drive which I have connected to my Mac Mini. Don't go with the name. It's by default is PS5 because I was using this with my PlayStation for some time. It's just external drive which I have connected. You can see this is the external drive which I have connected, and I'm selecting it. So now my PS5 hard drive is now connected. So let's do a quick run. I'm pausing the video for some time. So as you can see, the write speed was coming around 102 megabytes per second and 109 megabytes per 0.3 for read. So for an older 2.5-inch laptop hard drive, these are quite respectable numbers, and it shows that even after all these years, maybe I have been using this hard disk from last 7 to 8 years, and it's still performing well, and the drive is still capable of handling everyday storage tasks without any issues. So that's very close to what we were expecting, and again the transfer speed remained stable. And of course this won't compete with modern SSDs, but that's not the purpose here. So if your goal is to store photos, your video files, and music, or documents, or any kind of software backups or archive file, you can use your old laptop hard drive like this. And so this is a still great option if your goal is like this. And I would suggest, like, rather than buying a brand new external hard drive immediately, you might already have hundreds of gigabytes or even a terabyte of storage sitting unused in your old laptop at home. So if you find this video helpful, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more useful tech tips, and let me know in the comments whether you still have a old laptop with a hard drive that you can reuse. And thanks for watching and being with me till now. and I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.